What the fuck?
I'm drinking tamarind soda. Do you know why? I chose a Mexican soda because America decided to raise the price of a burrito, a handmade burrito at our local grocery store, fucking 23 cents. Can you believe that? From 78 cents to 96 cents, or whatever that fucking calculation is. 91 cents, whatever.
No, I think it was like 95.
I know, right? Fuck you!
Yeah, we would have done a good trolling video had my phone not been a
It's okay. We can go back down there and we can start the video like we were going to. Hopefully the gummy worm is still on the ground, dude. If the gummy worm's on the ground, you have to lick it, dude.
I ain't fucking licking no gummy worms. I don't, dude. All my friends have been getting under the weather lately. I don't need to fall into that.
Lick the gummy worm,
No.
red tooth.
I still have to pay the bill to get my phone working, so it's actually a phone.
Oh yeah.
Mao Zedong Wookie.
What is this? Roast beef.
Oh yeah, it's a sandwich I bought.
It says wedge.
Shit's pretty good, dude.
And I'm drinking my Mexican soda.
Yeah. Remember, kids, carbonation is always key. Yeah.
So I rebelled and I bought a Mexican soda instead of supporting the American economy. That's what happens when you raise your price of the fucking burrito.
That was pretty good, dude.
Right. Burping and shit. 8.
Oh, that sounded a little forced there at the end.
Forced. Like force push in the first Fable.
No, it was also in Fable too, but that was the radio. Oh no, you still could use it single target. Damn, dude, you look
There's
like
still like half of it in there, dude. That was all going in.
damn it, balls.
Oh God. Damn.
Damn it.
So.
Oh my God, dude.